Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to take off your outside cup on your Bose QC45s. I've seen this question asked a couple times in the comments and we've gotten some emails about it. It's pretty simple. So first, you want to pull off the ear pad. Doesn't matter which side, it's the same on both sides except for one side will have 3 screws, one side will have 2 screws. So when I pull that off, it's as easy as that. Take off that. Then the tools you'll need for this is a Phillips 2.0 right there, and then either a flathead or tweezers. So the right side will have 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. These screws are being very difficult. Not a fun time. And once you get those screws out, flip it to the other side. Usually if you just put it upside down, they'll come out. Sometimes this little clip on this side, there's a little clip underneath you'll see, it likes to get stuck, but it won't. But be very careful pulling on this because it is still connected to the main board via ribbon. That's where the flathead or tweezers come in handy. Also, if you would like, you could use a little bit of heat. Heat always helps. Makes it easier because it's getting held by hot glue. If you don't have a heat gun, you could use hair dryer. It's a little harder, but you can use a little bit of heat. So I'll show you guys, actually no, I'll show you guys without heat, just so you don't worry about not having a heat gun or anything. Basically, you just want to pry up on one side, it pops off. Then, once it pops off, you want to just slowly pry the glue off here. But it should come off pretty easily. Actually, you don't have to even do that because if you're replacing this part, you grab your new one, try to get it as level as possible. Gotta get a good angle too. And just press down. You'll feel it clip in place, or you'll hear it clip in place. Auto adjust is not working today, so I'll do it myself. Yeah, you'll feel it clip in place. Oh, or see you put too much pressure and I unclipped it. I'm gonna have to use a double tool here because my fingers are too big to get in here without unclipping it on accident. Once it's clipped down, you can use maybe a little bit of piece of tape to hold it down, a dab of hot glue as well, or if you're careful enough, you don't have to do anything, it'll stay in there pretty easily, no problem. Once it's clipped in, see, I'm moving this around, not coming out. Then to place this back on, you just want to make sure it gets that bend in there. Put this on, put a little pressure down. If you're putting pressure down, there's a big gap, like if it's sticking out like that, you know there's an issue. It should be flat like this with just a little pressure. There's nothing underneath in the way. If it's sticking out, something underneath is in the way, causing issues. Grab your 3 screws and repeat the beginning process again. And it's the same with both sides. The only difference is one side has 3 screws, one side has 2 screws. And that's why you got the Phillips 2.0. Place this back on. You can put a piece of tape on either this side and this side just to hold it in place, but I don't put tape and it stays in place. Then putting the ear pad back on, you'll see, if you have a new ear pad, you won't see this, but if you have the same ear pad, you'll see those little grooves. They correlate with the grooves in here. So you want to just place 1 to 1 and then clip it in. You hear that little tiny clip like that. That's how you know it's in place. If you're not getting it to clip, all you gotta do is pull back a little bit. You pull down a little bit and then underneath, and it's all in place. And that's how you replace your outside cup on your Bose QC45. If you're doing this for 35s, it's the same exact process except for there's no ribbon attached to the outside cup, so it's a lot easier. Hope this was able to help you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.